If you're looking for motivation on decluttering and organizing a specific space in your house, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Irene Philip, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all how I organized this new office desk of mine. This is a place where I like to just sit down and think about new video ideas, filming, scripting, and all of that good stuff. And so I wanted to make this more functional by finding a place to put everything in a more organized and easy to access way. That way I'm not scrambling around the entire house every single time I want to try and find something, and I'm not wasting any money on buying something that I may already own. Now, before I start with the whole decluttering process, I just wanted to quickly show you all my old office desk that I had purchased 2 years ago when I previously started working with a company. And I strongly dislike this desk because there is no room whatsoever to decorate, and also it has very minimal storage. Currently, as you can see, it houses my sewing machine and a few other items that don't have a home as of now. It has this drawer that doesn't even open completely, and yet I have managed to stuff in a ton load of things into it. And then there is this cabinet right underneath. Now, I have a reputation of being this very organized person, so I'm totally embarrassed to be showing you what's inside of this cabinet. It's kind of like my very own version of Monica's secret closet, if you know what I mean. But instead, I'm just going to be very real and open with you. Yes, I've got messy parts in my house, and this is what it looks like. I mean, seriously, look at all of that junk that is in there. Anyway, this video is all about decluttering and organizing, and so most of that junk is going to go away soon. Marie Kondo's method of decluttering and organizing has actually inspired millions around this world. And yes, of course, I will be using a part of her decluttering method in this video. So the first thing that I did is actually try and figure out all the different areas in my house where I've managed to tuck away things that actually belong in an office, like stationery items, files, folders, papers, etc. So I narrowed it down to 3 different areas. 1, my old office desk, of course. 2, one of the shelves in a cupboard in our guest bedroom. And 3, my new office desk. So instead of putting every single thing from all these places into one single area for sorting, as Marie Kondo suggests, I normally go section-wise. That way I'm not getting overwhelmed seeing the amount of things that I need to sort out. So I started with everything from my old office desk, scrapping the things that I didn't want anymore, and sorting everything into different categories, which I'll be showing you in a little while. So this is all of my current sewing supplies, and I'm just organizing everything in a proper way between the box and the pouch. Now, I'm not showing you the part where I brought in the things from the guest bedroom cupboard as well as the new office desk, because it's the same principle basically. I sorted everything into the categories that were already created. And this is how I finally categorized everything from all 3 areas. So I have this old shoebox in which I have kept all our keepsake items. Then comes all my electronic equipments like collar mic, earphones, etc. Items that need to go into our tools cabinet, and I have no idea why most of these were even with my stationery stuff. Then comes all my stationery items, pens, pencils, markers, post-it notes, etc. These are all my sewing supplies that I showed you before. Next is a collection of all my old Bibles and devotionals. Then some A4 papers, folders, and envelopes. This is my collection of all my well-used notepads and journals, and some barely used ones as well. And finally, all of my art supplies. And this is every single thing I ended up discarding. Next, I went ahead and decided on the things I actually wanted in my new office desk area and put away the things I didn't want into my old office desk. And I'm finally happy with the way my old desk looks like right now. It is so much more cleaner, and I can see every single thing in it. And all I'm left with are these things. So now that I've figured every single thing that I want for my new office desk, let's get to the final and most exciting part of organizing and decorating, shall we? So I got all these bamboo organizers from the kitchen section at Homecentre, and these other baskets and glass jars are from a local store at the mall. So if I can find the links to the products that I use in this entire video, I'll be sure to leave all of that in the description box below. So first, as you can see, I start off by dusting and cleaning the desk and the shelves. Now what I'm doing here is taking out everything from its packaging and sorting everything out category-wise into these organizers. The reason why I remove everything from its packaging is because the more I see it, the more likely it is that I will use it. Just like how the more you see a glass or a bottle of water right in front of you, the more likely it is that you will drink it. Next, I'm sticking these chalkboard stickers that I got off of Amazon onto these organizers so that I know what's exactly in them. And then I just go ahead and organize everything else into the other organizers. All the daily use stationery items in one, electronic equipments, all my art supplies, journals and notepads, and other small stationery supplies. Now this is not an ultimate organization of my desk. As you can see, I'm leaving enough space in all of the shelves so that I can change things up in the future. I'm just adding in some final touches with some decor pieces. And for now, this is what it looks like. And I love how everything is so neat, categorized, and easy to access. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this decluttering and organizing video, and above all, I really hope that this video has actually motivated you to try and do the same to any space in your house that you've been meaning to get to for a really long time. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and feel free to share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video.